Welcome to Stanfordis everyone. So today we are going to learn something new in your own channel Stanfordis, where you are learning English speaking and your school textbooks free of cost and without any effort. If I'm not teaching you a school subject, sorry, if you are, I'm not teaching you a school textbook of English, let me know. I will start teaching your own lessons. I will start teaching your school books very soon. So here, what is before I go for today's topic, why don't you click on the subscribe button below and subscribe for all topics and all lessons, because if you subscribe only then all topics will reach to your mobile phone very first. Let's have a look on this group discussion. So whatever I am teaching, whatever I am doing here, it's just only lecture, but only thing which is left, that is speaking part, your group discussion, your way of speaking, and your contribution is left. For this I am doing on Zoom application. I hope you have downloaded Zoom application on your mobile phone, and description link has been given. You can use the same link, or you can message me and ask me for the any other link if you are in any other paid session. You know I'm doing this thing since morning. I am till night 10 o'clock. So in this sequence of learning today, we have a topic. The topic is uses of professional titles. So it's before I explain this topic, why don't you think about it? What comes in your mind by reading professional titles? Pause the video here and think for 2 minutes that what is professional title? What is this? Push your thinking process. I hope you have done this thing. Let's have a look on the thing which I want to explain here. So professional title, what is actually professional title? That is DR, doctor, PROF, professor, general, captain, father, etc. So these type of titles are called professional title. See, we can call doctor, there are two people. First, if you're going to visit a doctor who has minimum MBBS degree, and second person who has PhD degree. So the very first person whom you can call doctor, that is a doctor, and second who has PhD degree. I hope you understood what is professional title by this example. Let's have a look. It's before I explain this, why don't you pause the video here and read that what is written over here. So let's have a look on this, what is written over here. That is, we don't normally call people by the name of their job or profession. Some jobs are professions which we can use as terms of address: doctor, medical science, nurse, minister, officer. Okay, so what is the thing? So here what is the concept actually? That we cannot say any person as per their own job or business, but if it is their own profession, they have particular degree or particular experience, or you can say particular degree, experience, or training. If they are trained for that, they have experience for that thing, then this is called profession. Okay, so in that case you can call, see, if I talk about doctor, who is a doctor who has a particular degree, that is MBBS. If I talk about minister, who has experience, who has some designation, because of designation and particular degree or experience, that person is called that thing. Now the concept which I already shared with you, let's have a look on the example. My head hurts, doctor. So this doctor word, this title you can use in place of name, like Rahul Kumar, my head is hurting. So in place of that I can say I have headache. Doctor is a name, title. Now, Minister, please explain this policy to us. So we are calling Minister. Minister is coming as a noun or title. Now the thing which I explained you, we use doctor for medical doctor and people with the doctorate qualification. Doctorate qualification, we use doctor for those people who has MBBS degree, different profession, and who has profession of means a degree of PhD. I hope you understand. We use a wide range of title of jobs. Some common one in business management are, see, you must have heard that CEO, Chief Executive Officer. So this is the person who has a particular highest top position in a company. Managing Director, MD, FD, CTO, these are some more professional titles which we should know. I hope you understood this. What is professional title? I hope it is clear to you. So this is an exercise in book 1, lesson number 2, a last exercise which we must complete. Let's pause the video here and think what should be right here. What should we write here? Think for a minute. I hope you have done this thinking process. Let's have a look. So I'm going to explain what should be here. I'm a doctor. For me, I'm a teacher. I'm a facilitator. I work in Stanfordis. Stanfordis is a place where I'm working. My father is a businessman. He works in India. Or if I'm saying my father is a professor, he works in a college. My mother is a teacher. She works in a school. So this is the answer of exercise. And please subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. If you'll subscribe, you'll get all lessons very first. Please click here and subscribe this channel. Let's have a look on the next part, the second part of this video, where I'm going to introduce a very nice and fantastic video of a native speaker who is going to teach you about titles, that what is title and how should we use titles in an appropriate way. So I'll let you know later. So please have a look on some instructions which you need to follow here. Please find the video link in the description. In the description, video link is available. You can click on that and watch the video. Please watch it minimum 3 times. Whatever video you are watching my video or that description one, watch it at least 3 times. It will help you more if you watch at least 3 times. While watching, keep making notes. So if you're going to watch any video, lecture video of mine or any video, please keep a notebook in your hand and a pen or pencil to write or to make notes. Because after watching the video, you can take help of those notes to give presentation, to participate in group discussion. And keep in mind some questions. Whenever you are watching any video, you must keep some questions, and those questions I'm going to tell. The very first question which you must answer: what was the video about? What was the video about? Do you know of titles used in Hindi? There are some titles which we can use in Hindi, like Shriman, Shrimati, something like that. So you're going to tell some titles, but in comment section, you're not going to answer this question in group discussion, because in group discussion, it is not allowed that you speak even a single word of Hindi. Why must we use correct title for people? Why should we use title? Why? I have answered this question in my first video of lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, L2P6, lesson number 2, part 2. In that video, I have answered this question. If you didn't watch, please go back and start from the beginning. Okay? Let's have a look on this video. This is the video which is in the description link, which you are going to watch. This is the lady who is going to tell you about native titles about in English. So you're going to watch English titles by her. So this is the way you are going to do how. See, when you will click on this button, on this button, it will open. Go down. After going down, very down, you can see there is the link. Click for the video. Click for video. You will click on this link and the lady will start talking with you on the video. So, homework for you. Very simple question. What did you learn from this video? And what is homework? What did you learn from this video? Did you learn anything? Make a presentation of 1 minute for your own presentation for 1 minute. It should not be less than 1 minute. Don't make it less than 1 minute. Please speak more and participate. So next topic which we are going to do, that is lesson number 3 in English speaking, that is family. We'll talk about family. We'll talk about fundamental things about family, and those things which are very important for English speaking. In terms of family, we'll talk all about things. We'll talk about family tree, we'll talk about many circles, we'll talk about diagram, we'll talk about many more things. So be ready for that lesson. Be excited and watch the next video. And don't forget to watch and subscribe this channel. It will help you a lot. And don't forget to participate in group discussion. Participation in group discussion is very important, because if you will not speak, how will you learn? It is very important because we are working on your 4th strength, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking. And very soon I'm going to take your test. Be ready for the test, because I have said that at the end of any month, every month, in the end of every month I'll take your tests. So be ready for that test. It will be 1-to-1. I'll take tests. Don't worry, because I want to see, did you learn something? Bye bye. Thank you.